Here we got a 65 Mustang with a straight 6 in it. Now I'll tell you what, these things really got some good mileage too. I remember we used to take them down to the shore down at Garden State Parkway, and we had one of these a friend of mine had. It was a red one, excuse me, a white one, red interior. It had a 6-cylinder in it, but you know, it was a Mustang. And used to get like 22 miles to the gallon on the way down. A lot of times we took that down there because it was cheaper to drive than cars that would be lucky if you got 12 miles to the gallon on the highway. I assume it's got a C4 trans in it. I don't know, maybe not with that 6. C4 would have been a heavy-duty trans for this 6-cylinder. It's got a nice mint green interior. This thing, you know, I tell you the truth, I like it. I'd rather have a Mustang of this year, even with the 6, than a brand new one. And the brand new ones are basically, you know, plastic stuff that looks sort of like a Mustang on a modern car. This is a Mustang. It's made out of metal, right? That's the way I look at it. I wonder if there's ever a way to treat the metal and the steel itself, like, you know, in the steel, that it doesn't rust that easy if you just add, you know, maybe not enough to make it stainless steel, but just a tiny bit of chromium or something. I wonder how much that would jack up the price, because it's the main thing why these cars haven't survived is because of rust. I mean, you think about it, if these cars didn't rust at all, you could just keep fixing these things forever. Parts are easy to find. Of course, you got the horse. That reminds me, I'm going to probably get another Marlin lever action, because it's got Marlin horse on there. Texas version, though. So, but you know what? It's a Mustang. It's good to, you know what? The other thing too, I said you know what so many times, but the other thing is too, a lot of times these 6-cylinders survive way better than the muscle car types, because nobody beat the crap out of them. They weren't like driven like, you know, peg the speedometer and crap, and see getting it sideways and, you know, when you stomp it to the floor. That's why they survived. So a lightweight car like this thing would actually move pretty good.